Okay, Algebra 1, Unit 1, Lesson 3, solving equation, show your work. So x plus 8 equal to 11. It's a number, an unknown number, right? Unknown number plus 8 equal to 11. So what number plus 8 equal to 11? So x must be 3. So sometimes when the number is small, we can guess, right? But if I'm not going to think, I don't want to think, so I'm going to follow the procedure. I'm going to follow the steps. So we solve x. That means we want x all alone at the end by self. So we need to get rid of the positive 8. The equation, the equal sign, just separate the equation from left to right. Two parts, left and right. Okay. If I move this number from the original side, from the left, I move it away because I need to get rid of it. I want x all alone by itself. This is a positive 8. I moved it to the other side. So x all alone by itself. 11 is not moving. 8, I move it from left to right. All I need to do is change the positive to negative. Yeah? So this is one method. So 11 minus 8, that's 3. Yeah? We can go back to check. So 3 plus 8 equal 11. Oh, yeah, that's the correct answer. Okay, another way to solve it. So x plus 8 equal to 11. So this probably is the method your teacher in the middle school will teach you. Yeah? Okay, we need to get rid of the positive 8. So we are going to subtract the 8. When you subtract, you have to subtract the same number on both sides, right? So your equation still hold, still equal, still balance, right? You do something for the left side. You have to do something for the right side, right? So your new equation still hold. Okay, so positive 8 minus 8. So this part will be gone, right? Positive 8 minus 8, that's 0. We only have x left. On the other side, 11 minus 8, that's 3. Yeah, so that's 3. No matter which way, which method you use, you should get the same answer. Yeah? Okay, you choose the best way, the way you like, okay, to solve the equation. Number 2, 5y minus 9 equal to 16. Okay, first I'm going to get rid of the pure number. I'm not going to deal with the 5 later because 5y, that means 5 times y. Multiplication is much more powerful operation than adding or subtracting. Right? So I'm going to deal with this later. So I need to get rid of the negative 9. Also, I can add the 9 on both sides, right? Add the 9. So my new equation become, so negative 9, add 9, that becomes 0. It's gone, right? This is equal to 0. So we have 5y left. 0, I don't need to write 5y plus 0 equal to, we don't need to keep the add 0, right? 0 means nothing, so we just don't write it. Okay, on the other side, the 16 plus 9, that's 25. So 25. So 5y, that means 5 times y. Multiplication. I need to undo the multiplication. So I'm going to divide both sides by y, divide by y. Fraction. It's a division, right? Fraction division. The top number divided by the bottom number. So 5 divided by 5, that's 1. Yeah, 1. So 1y. Normally we just don't write the 1, we just write y. So y equal to 25 divided by 5. 25, that's 5, right? So the final answer. Number 3. 3x plus 4 equal to 10. Oh, I'm going to use a different method. 3x equal to 10. I'm going to move positive 4 to the other side. The positive 4. This is positive 4. Right? Move to the other side, become negative 4. So 3x equal to 10 minus 4. That's 6, right? 3 times what number equal to 6? Divided by 3, both sides. Whatever the number in front of the x. So 3x, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Yeah. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. They cancel out. Basically, we call them cancel out. So x equal to 6 divided by 3. That's 2, right? The final answer is 2. Number 5, 6a plus 3. So I'm going to use a different method this time. So minus 3 on both sides of the equation. Positive 3 minus 3, that's 0. So we only have 6a left. 45 minus 3, that's 42. And I need to divide both sides by 6. 6a, I'm going to divide by 6. 6 divided by 6, that's 1, right? 1a. 42 divided by 6, 7. A equal to 7, final answer. Number 7. Number 7, we have parentheses. So we need to do the distributive property. We need to get rid of the parentheses. So 2 times 3x. So we use the number times the number and then leave the x alone. So 2 times 3, that's 6. So 6x. And then 2 times 7, positive, right? So positive 14 plus 5 equal to 1. Let's simplify. So 6x plus 14. 14 plus 5. That's 19, right? 19 equal to 1. Now I need to get rid of the 19. But I subtract 19 on both sides. So 6x equal to positive 19 subtract 19, that's 0, right? 1 minus 19, that is negative 18. 1 minus 19, right? 1 is not big enough to take away 19. So we have to borrow 18. So negative 18. So divide both sides by 6. So x equal to negative number divided by a positive number. That's negative 3. Yeah. Number 8. Number 8, both sides is fraction. So we're going to do the cross multiplication. So x times 9 is going to be 9x equal to 18 times 2. 2 times 18, that's 36, right? From fraction become multiplication, right? Divide both sides by 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 36 divided by 9, that's 4. Okay, number, word problem. Some reason, okay. Write the equation to represent each word problem and then solve. Okay, a movie theater charges $12 per ticket. Okay, the cost for a ticket is $12. You also pay a one-time online service fee. $5 5 is just one time, right? So 12, how many tickets? We don't know. Maybe 1, maybe 2. If it's 1, just 12 times 1. If it's 2 tickets, 12 times 2, right? But how many movie tickets did you buy? We don't know. How many? X. So 12 times X. Your total cost is 53. So we're going to solve this. Positive 12X equal to 53 minus 5. So this time I use different method. Positive 5. I move it. I cross the equal sign. Move it to the other side. Become negative. So 12x equal to 53 minus 5. That's 48, right? 48. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 12. Divide by 12. So 12 divided by 12, that's 1. So cancel out, right? 12 cancel out. So x equal to 48 divided by 12. That is 4. So x equal to 4. So how many tickets did you buy? You bought 4 tickets. Number 2, Mia only has 180 in her saving account. She wants to save money to buy a new phone. And she saves the same amount each week. How much? We don't know. We're going to set it at X, right? After 6 weeks, so she has 720. So how much does she save each week? Okay, each week she saves X, right? So 6 weeks, that means 6 times X. And at the beginning, she has 180 in her saving account. So we add 180. So equal to 720. So get rid of the 180. 180. Subtract 180 on both sides. So 6x equal to, so what is 72 minus 180? 2 is not enough to take away 8, so I have to borrow 1 from 7. So this is a 4. 7 becomes 6. 6 minus 1, that's 5. So 540. Now we're going to divide both sides by 6. So 6 cancel out. Yeah. So x equal to 54 times 6, that's 9, right? And we have 0, yeah? 90. You can use calculator, right? So each week she saved $90. Number 3, Michael has already read 25 page. 25 page already finished, right? He reads the same number of pages for 8 days. This kind of question. So how many pages does he read every day? Same number of pages. Okay, x. 8 times, right? 8 days. Each day is x. So x. 8 days, right? If you keep adding, so add 8 times, right? So that's just 8x. 25 plus 8x equal to, by the end he has read 89 pages. Okay, we need to solve for x. I'm going to get rid of the 25. Get rid of the 25. Remember, you have to subtract on both sides, okay, of the equation. So this part is gone, becomes 0. So 8x equal to 89 minus 25. That's 64. Yeah. 9 minus 5. Yeah. 64. So 8 times what equal to 64? Divide both sides by 8. It's also 8, right? 8 times 8 equal to 64. So 64 divided by 8 equal to 8. Yeah. How many pages? 8 pages every day. Okay, let me stop. So this is, oops.